How to set auto rotate on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the control center on your phone. Auto rotate automatically adjusts your phone screen orientation from portrait to landscape mode. In the control center, locate the portrait orientation lock icon, which is a symbol of a lock inside a circular arrow. If the icon is turned off, the screen will be unlocked and will rotate automatically. To demonstrate the effect, close the control center. Open any of the apps to demonstrate. Now, physically turn the iPhone sideways. Because the rotation lock is now off, the screen content automatically rotates to a horizontal view to match the phone's new orientation. If you want to stop the auto rotate mode, tap on the portrait orientation lock icon to turn on. Now, the screen will be locked and will not rotate automatically. You can again demonstrate it by physically turning the iPhone sideways. As the rotation lock is now on, the screen content will not rotate to a horizontal view. Following these steps, you can easily set auto rotate on an iPhone.